Hi guys, welcome back. It's Nadine. Today I'm going to do a video of my pantry. In case you're wondering, I cut off all my hair. I did it on Father's Day. Yeah, I get tired of, I was just tired of combing my hair and I just want an easier life, so I cut it off. Tell me what you think. I like it, but anyway. Since coming back from Atlanta, I decided to start decluttering our house, our rental. Because of unfortunate things, we're putting a little bit of a hold on getting a house, but it's okay. If this was like a year ago, I'd be devastated and frustrated because I want to get out, but God has really shown me, and I'm learning to be content with what I have and be grateful for what I have, because we could be in a worse situation. So that's why I decided, let me start truly decluttering, you know, and getting rid of stuff. It's funny, as I get older, I get tired of clutter and just having things here that we don't need or we're not even using, just taking up valuable space. So I decided to just take you on the journey as I take one room at a time, and today I'm tackling my pantry. Yesterday I did a grocery haul. You can see that video. I'll probably put a card up here somewhere, or maybe at the end of the video. But I didn't say it was, before I went grocery shopping, I literally took the remaining stuff out my fridge and wiped it down clean. And now my fridge was like, you don't realize how much stuff you have in your fridge until you clean it out. And that's with any space. So I literally cleaned out the fridge and the freezer, wiped out all the shelves and took the bins out, washed those. And so when I brought home the groceries, everything had a home, there was room. But I usually do that when I come back from a vacation. I usually clean out the fridge before we leave, and when I come back, I should clean it before I leave, but I end up cleaning it before I come back. But anyway, another thing I always do before I leave for a vacation is I always leave the house clean, and I always make sure there's no laundry, because who wants to come home to a dirty house and having to do all this laundry? So that's my tip. If you're ever going on vacation, clean your house, make sure all your laundry is done, and that way you can come home to a clean house and not all this chaos. But that's another video, so let me get back to what I'm talking about. My pantry is, I love my pantry. I do. I'm truly blessed to have a pantry in this home. And the only downfall is I wish there was a door, but the way it's set up, I can't put a door. So let me take you in and show you what it looks like. This is my pantry. So you walk in and it has a lot of shelves and cabinets, but it is a mess. Again, this is probably my most organized space, but I need to go through it. I have all the cereals up there. Over here I have chips, medicines, and over on this side I keep the kids' lunch boxes up here. And I'll open this cabinet so you can see how messy it looks. Yeah, we need to have some order in here. And then down here I have some of my appliances, stuff I haven't unloaded because I knew I was going to do this. My vases, you know, it's just really junky. And then I don't know if we can get in here. My lower cabinets, it's not that bad, but I'm not using the space wisely. I wish I didn't have this in the middle. It'd be a lot easier, but you get what you get. And then over here we have a shelf. I keep our toaster and our Vitamix. We keep some stuff over here. And then I have these cabinets. I emptied this one before I left because this is my spice cabinet. I will show you the spices that I bought. And then drawers. This is actually, it's cute, but it doesn't work for me. This is actually a bread box. So I just keep extra teas in there. And there's teas in here. And teas in here. So I need to revamp that. This, when they put this unit in, it hits this, so yeah. So, but it's nice to have, and this is mostly where my canned goods. I don't usually have a lot of canned goods or in my dry pastas. I just realized I got 2 bottles of ranch dressing. And then there's a shelf here that houses our microwave, and this is another good feature, but I don't use it. It's a cutting board drawer. I don't know, I just don't feel like it's clean enough. I don't know, I don't want to stay in here and cut. I like to be outside and open. And then I have a drawer, nothing in it, which I need to utilize. And another drawer, which is junk and my girls' EpiPens. And then in here, I keep overflow, which is neat. It's kind of a waste of space because it's so high, so I need to maybe put a shelf in there. And then over here we keep all of our extra drinks, you know, but I need to do something different there. And then we have overflow of just random stuff in here. So this is the pantry. It's a nice pantry, you know, but I need to use it in a better way. So what I think I'm gonna do is pull everything out, but I feel like that'd be a little overwhelming for me, so I may just do sections and pull everything out, wipe everything down, restock everything, and then put everything back. But either way, it's gotta get done, so let's get started. Okay, whew, I'm sweating. I feel overwhelmed. So I'm tackling everything but this whole unit here. All this I'm going to do a little bit later. But right now I need to do some serious vacuuming and wiping down. I mean, look at this over here. I mean, this is what I'm ashamed of. I picked up the toaster and all this fell out. Oh my gosh, I don't know when's the last time I did that, but this whole unit here, I'm gonna do it today, but I'm not gonna pull everything out because let me show you. And all down here. Sometimes you just gotta do it in stages, you know. You don't want to get too worked up. But let me show you where we're at. Here's my counter. Here is my stove. I mean, it's a lot. Over here, here's a tip, like if you have smaller items, just put them on a bowl so it won't take up too much counter space. It's kind of limited. And then I had to move it into the dining room for the bigger things. So, let's get started on cleaning. I am like hot. That's because I try to do these things early in the morning. One, my kids are still sleeping, and two, it's cooler. But let's get started cleaning. I'm about to wipe down. Again, work up high, start low. I'm gonna clean up there. I may have to get up there and do it, but we will see. I'm thinking of getting rid of this because I just don't like it. I think it's ugly. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's coming off the wall. So I may get rid of this and put something else here, or maybe just leave it as is. If I don't have the storage, I don't need to have more stuff. But we'll see. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I don't like it. Anyway, time to cleaning. What I plan on doing, I gotta patch these holes up and probably, I really don't feel like painting, but maybe just clean it up, we'll see. And I may take that down and put it somewhere else. I think I will, yeah. And that way I can just patch up these holes and get looking decent again. Okay, so I cleaned out all the cabinets, I wiped them all down. That one unit I wiped down, but I'm gonna go through it later. What I plan on doing is put everything back. Then I'll figure out what I need for changing storage ideas, because I don't want to go out, buy all this stuff and it doesn't fit and it doesn't work for what I'm trying to do. So for me, I put everything back, and I may switch up some stuff, put everything back, and then I decide, okay, what do I need to make it function better instead of just going out and buying stuff. I may even go to the Container Store, because like if you've seen previous videos, I love that place, but I don't go because I buy things I don't need. But I may take the show. I haven't been there in over a year, so we'll see. But I'm about to put everything back, and then I'll show you what it looks like once everything's back in place. But I'm also decluttering. I'm gonna get, you know, things that are old, expired, we're not using, you know, I'm gonna get rid of. So once I do all that, I'll show you what the space looks like. So here is the pantry all cleaned and done. As you can see, I took off that bar, the shelving unit here. I do have holes. Sorry for the noise, my kids are up. So you may hear cartoon or Disney Network or something. But I'm gonna patch up these holes later, but I don't have time to do it today, and I didn't want to keep this video waiting for so long, so it looks a lot better. So over here, I moved these over here, my oven mitts and my measuring cups, my potatoes and onions. It's, you know, it's like, why is there a sink in here? But it works out nicely. And then down here, let's see. Down here, I have my trash bags, my KitchenAid mixer. I don't know if you can see it back there, yeah. And my other small gadgets I put in a basket back there, and my other trash bag and some containers that I don't use that much, but I do use. So, that looks good. And in this cabinet, I reorganized everything. I always say shop your house. So, but I actually went to Dollar Tree yesterday and actually picked up 8 bins, 4 gray ones and 4 white ones. And I said I'll use that and everything else I shop. So I did this. I was going to make labels with my Cricut, but I was like, you know what, my handwriting's neat enough. So I used my chalk paint markers and just wrote on it. It comes off with alcohol. So, and here's extra nuts and seeds and my banana chips. And here's condiments that was over on the other side. These are just miscellaneous, like packets of Swiss Miss or packets of like cream of wheat, stuff like that. So I couldn't, it was not a lot to put in one container, so I put it as miscellaneous. Over here is my baking spices. And here's extra snacks. And in here is extra baking stuff. And then over here is just crackers and some cookies. And up there, I keep the kids' lunch boxes. So, and we come over here. Remember that mess? Oh, it looks nice and clean. This is where I keep my Vitamix in my toaster. And just a Martine shaker, I guess it is. I don't know. Over here, I changed the containers for the medicines. And that's we keep all our chips up there. And I did clean out in here. You know, it wasn't much to clean. It's like canned goods. You know, I pretty much just straightened up, dusted out. And I didn't do anything here. I just kept the teas. More teas. More teas. We're a tea drinker, as you see. We don't drink coffee. And I stocked my cabinet with all my DeKalb Farmers Market spices I get from Atlanta every time I go. I'm going to do a video of my spice drawer so you can see how I organize it. But this is my favorite part over here. Now I had like 5 boxes of cereal and I had like a little bit of milk, so I took the boxes out and put them in this container. Put extra granola, extra cereal, extra granola, and all these. This is cereal containers I got from IKEA. I don't like them, but I'm not going out to buy anything, so I'm going to use it. But my spices and stuff, I love this. It looks so good. And I just use my chalk paint marker and just handwritten on the jars, everything. So I reorganized all this. It looks so good. Down here, so I keep my colanders, my cheese grater, my extra cutting boards. Over here is our microwave, my big butcher block cutting board. And remember I had all those sodas and stuff? Well, I remember I had this container, this basket. So I decided to use it and put all the seltzer waters in there. I know you're probably thinking, how are you getting here? But in here is like my extra storage glassware and stuff, so I don't go in there often. And then down here, I just reorganize it. This will overflow for condiments and like chicken stock and olive oils and juices and stuff. So that is it. It looks so good. And it's more, I feel like I can walk through without this thing that was over here. I feel like I can walk through it now. Okay guys, that was a challenge. And it took me about 3 hours to do it, but I'm glad it's done. I think it feels bigger because I don't have that shelving unit on the side and we can just walk through with no problems of hitting, and I love it. I think it looks great. I always say at the end of the day, as long as you're happy, that's all that matters, and I am happy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you love videos like this, please subscribe down below or wherever my face may be. Thank you guys for watching. Until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day.